He chased those goats for so long that he's really tired now. Okay. I really didn't want any more dogs. And if we did get a dog, I wanted to rescue him out of the shelter. So I'm still kind of mad at it, my husband. But what can I do? But yeah. He's alright. As long as he don't mess with my animals, I'll be okay. See what he does to him. See those goats? Honey don't play. She'll headbutt him. Who's at our gate? Come on. My cute little hat. No, that's not my team. I just like the hat. It keeps my ears warm. And I like that. If I can find that puppy. I forgot about him. My grandson's home from school. Maybe the puppy went to bother him. Puppy. Is the puppy in there?
I saw him a minute ago.
Puppy! There he is. He's on the front porch. Don't you tell your daddy I forgot about you. Okay? Alright, I forgot about you, guy. Can't babysit. You know, I got a lot going on in my world. Lordy, have mercy. Come on. Them goats wear you out chasing them? Don't you jump on me. Nah. You tired now? Look at, we feed this dog so much, but he is so high strung. It's like not kicking in, and I don't want to overfeed him. Because I've heard of that stomach flip or what do you call it? But it's like, that dog right now is in a, I keep telling my husband, he's in a, like a growing spurt right now. You ain't gonna keep it on him. I broke a nail. You know, I guess it doesn't matter with these fingers. I got cuts everywhere. Come on, Kane. Go inside. Wow, that one broke all the way down. And I get ready to do a... Go feed the boys. They got their mineral inside that. Girls are eating. Still trying to figure out what I should do with this thing. Thinking about making it into a covering of tarps and making another cut like shelter. We'll see. Kane aggravating my daughter's pup, Shih Tzu. You can hear Ramsey screaming his lungs out for his food. They love that. They know when I'm coming. Alright. Hello, little ones. What are y'all doing? You ready to go get fed? Let's go eat. Come on. Let's go get your food. You know where it's at. I know, I'm coming. Rambler. I had to, let's see, well, my husband did it for me. Removed the fence thing out of there. So they could, because they wasn't getting the hay good enough. Let me see now. Yeah, now they're getting it. So you got a big old hole in there. Are you nosy? It's a phone. It's a phone. Lily. Let me see you, Lily, you beautiful, beautiful thing. You don't like being in here, do you? You want to be freaking. I'll let you out. I just have to feed my goats because you won't let them eat. All right, I hear you. Let's go. Do this. Come on, my beautiful girl. Look how fat you are. All right. My pretty girl. Look how fluffy she is. Look at my pretty girls. The Three Stooges. It's my son and them talking in the background. All right, guys. My goodness, you're all up there. Oh, you knocked him down. All right, I'm ready to come in and see. Y'all already knocked down the one thing. I don't know what to do with you guys. But let's go in and see what we can find. I don't see any on the ground this time. You're like a wild animal. Well, you are wild. Never mind. All right, I'm coming in. One egg. I've been getting one egg every day except for one day. Well, I bet you that was fun. Why do you keep having to... But yeah, put those down there for them, but they keep flipping. They flipped all that hay out of there. But yeah, I guess I'm going to get one egg a day from them till summer. I don't care. Who is that? Oh, that's our mailman. That early? All right. I'm out of here, guys. How come you always follow me around? You trying to peck me? Let me see. I might have to clean y'all's water out today. Ooh, somebody's upset. You pecked my leg. Ow! That's my foot. My ankle. What'd you do that for? Hmm? Don't you do it. Why are you going to fly up on me, aren't you? Ow. I'm out of here. They are stressed out. Because yesterday, see, they're slapping each other. Look at my poor porch. But yeah, because I ran out of cat food. So I had to order some. I know, baby girl, I'm sorry. So they haven't really had a good meal. They didn't have one yesterday because I ran out. And they're late tonight, so everybody's cranky. But yes, it's coming. See, they're biting each other. What is going on? They don't bite me. But yeah, he's going to pick it up now. So they'll be happy. Georgia, all snuggled up. And the baby and Honey are right there. And then the boys are over there in the dark. But yeah. It's a nice night. It's not really that cold. I like it. In the dark. I'm being hunted by the cats. Let's see if you can see all their little beady eyes. Because I opened up, they're still waiting for their food. They're going to attack me. Gonna be the crazy cats. They're probably like, why aren't they feeding me? They're going to let me starve now. But it's okay. All I did was ran out of cat food. It will be here within the next 15 minutes. So just patience and wait. And sorry for my light in your face, but I'm working out in the dark. Kind of windy today. Excuse me, guys. Crazy wheelbarrow pusher coming. Wheelbarrow pusher. Beep, beep, beep. They're always up in your way. Here they go. Guys, that's it. It must be nice to be able to just walk around and go poop. And just keep on going. That's how I think of it. It'd be like going at work, not having to go to the bathroom or anything. Wouldn't that be nice? Just go. Sorry, just kidding. Did y'all just spill that over being... What's in there? Nothing. Alright, move. Let me put this up. So yeah, I can hear Ramsey yelling for his food. Everybody's got theirs. Let's go. Feed the rest. Yep, that pool's still there, daughter. You're watching this video. I'm still waiting. I even pulled it out for you. Straighten it out some. Alright. I'm coming. I'm coming. Yep, it's your turn. Don't start getting fishy. Oh, y'all peed in your stuff. Why do y'all do that? I've never understood animals that pee on their stuff. But let me get off here. Yep, I'm coming to check. Do you have any eggs for me? Huh? I'm coming to look. I cannot believe they knocked all those down and put all the hay. Ooh, look what I see over here. What are we doing? I don't know if you can see her. Someone's laying down on the ground. Are we trying to lay an egg? Let's go see. That is not a good place to have an egg. Let me look around. Make sure there's no more. Ugh. I don't know what's going on with my back today. Maybe because I turned 57 today. Maybe that's what it is. Oh. Wow, so I got a nice nest in there, but no egg. Why would you have it here? You're lucky that it didn't break. Alright, let's go see this one. Nothing. Alright, so I guess whoever had that egg missed the basket. Let me look in here. I can't believe they knocked all that out, so I'm gonna take all those out. They're just gonna make a mess with them. Alright guys, no pecking me today. I'm leaving. Hello. I just noticed something, guys, when I was looking down at her. And I was getting ready to open this. Well, I was thanking everybody for giving me birthday wishes today, but look. Look what's over there. It's on the edge. Hopefully it didn't break. So let's go. What? Come on, let's go get eat. Let's go get food. You ready to go eat? Huh? Come on. I don't know if I need it because it's not that hot. I mean cold. I can't dress right because I can't understand this weather. It's like you don't know what day is going to be hot and what day is going to be cold and what day is going to be freezing. Crazy. Hold on, guys. Let me go say hi to Jackson and Lily. Hey, guys. What have you done? Don't you talk to me like that. Hi, baby girl. Y'all eating good? I see you've made a mess. As long as you can't pull it out too much, I'll be happy. I don't understand why animals have to go to the bottom of hay and stuff like that. It makes no sense. Alright, I gotta go feed. Slow down on the eating, dear. What do you want from me? I'm coming. I'm only human. I'm only human. I can go but so fast. Ooh, almost something dookie. And I mean big horse dookie. Oh, I did. Alright, let me go get your food. Oh gosh. Trying to get up there, Bill. See if they'll eat bread. Want some bread? Let's see if I can pick it up. Want some bread? No, because it's done. I'm giving it to the chickens. Alright, I'm giving it to the chicken. Let's go. Get this. Yeah, I started trying to eat wheat bread. Because last time I went to the doctor, I had high cholesterol. Because I likes to eat. But, yeah. So, I'm trying to be nice. Go right there. Dropping it down, guys. Ooh, hello. Welcome. Crazy. It's just bread. It is just bread, guys. Everybody share. Wind is crazy today. And yes, today is my birthday, and I am 57 years old, and I'm proud of it. I'm hyper like a 30-year-old, but my body ain't like a 30-year-old. It hurts. But yeah, I'm proud to be 57. I have 5 kids. The oldest being 36, the youngest being 17. And I raised them all. Single mom. And I'm proud of it. That's why I guess I'm like I am. Can do it. I do everything myself. Now, how many kids have you had? None? None yet? You didn't understand that part? I'm sorry. But guess what? I'm hoping soon you will have a kid. Huh? Because my kids are called children. Yours are kids. Yeah. Do you understand? No? Well, how can I get you to understand? What am I supposed to do? Tell me, honey. What am I supposed to do? Beautiful, beautiful animal. I love you. You're such a precious, beautiful thing. Yes. You're my sweetheart. And I think I said before, your babies are girls. So I'm keeping them all and loving them. Because if they're like you, I hope they're all the little goats are sweet. And they will be because I touch them and hang out with them all the time. My girl. It's my baby. I gotta go in. I got lots to do. Honey, you are the best. Give me 5. Give me 5. Can you give me 5? Give me 5. Here, give me 5. Give me 5. Good job. You just gave me 5. Give me 5. Honey, can you give me 5? Give me 5. She's like, please. Walk away now. You're a good girl. Look, you can hold her paws up. You can do anything to this beautiful girl. Mary did her nails once. And she likes to be scrubbed on. Oh, yeah. Like spa day. But now I Dirty hands. All right, I gotta go in, honey. My back's hurting. And I got stuff to do. See you later, beautiful babies. Bye-bye.